Determine the domain and range of the function. And here I still have the function graph showing from the previous example. And what we need to do here is figure out the domain and range. First of all, let's look at the graph. You can see there's a vertical asymptote at x equals 1. That means there's no input for x equals 1. And we have a horizontal asymptote on y equals -2. And so there is no output for y equals -2. But all other real numbers, except for x equals 1, can be inputs. All other real numbers besides y equals -2 can be outputs. And you can figure this out from the function as well, because you set the denominator equal to 0 and then solve, and then you can find out that 3x equals 3 when you add 3 to both sides, then divide by 3, you get x equals 1. There's your vertical asymptote. For your horizontal asymptote, divide the coefficients in front of the x's. -6 divided by 3 is -2, so y equals -2. So y equals -2 is your horizontal asymptote. Okay, so how do you write this? Domain. X is an element of the real numbers such that x is not equal to 1. For the range, y is an element of the real numbers such that y not equal to -2. Okay, so there's your domain and range.